everyone gives him $10. No, that's not.
I'll give him $1.
Hold it, $1. I have a $1 bill.
Yeah, $1 bill. Everyone's putting $1.
Dude, I have a $1 bill. Puke editing.
Just.
I don't have $1. Wait, I don't have $1. I don't have $1.
Wait, someone has to. Someone has to do this
for free right now.
You can't do it there. You can't do it there.
It has to be a
No. You can't do it there. The light is fucking up the camera.
No, you gotta get on a different angle.
Please don't do it.
Wait, switch sides.
Wait.
There you go.
Wait. Go.
Oh,
Dip, spit, chug.
Oh no. Oh my god.
There you go.
Yeah, $1.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
Oh, God.
Wasn't that?
Oh, he's doing it again.
No one even has $1 to give you this time. What are you drinking?
Not the dip spit, because that would be disgusting.
You're just gonna brace it with him. Okay.
Oh, but yeah. Just keep it balanced.
Stop drifting.
Alright.
Put that car on a fat tire, and you'll have so much fun. I'm telling you.
Don't let it fall.
Hold it.
I mean, yeah, I know that.
Like, you put a girl in
Tilt
your
it
car
towards
that's fast,
CJ,
You're gonna get a
the weight's
lot more
falling
pussy than sliding in the car around the parking lot.
There we go.
No girl thinks drifting is fun. You're literally crashing. Like, you're literally about to crash. Like, she's. No.
You can come down a little bit more.
I'll just put it up for both.
Like, I'm telling you, I don't know. I feel like a girl would be happier. Reginald's
Yeah, you're good now.
over, like, Maddie Ross.
No, if you want to get girls, you get a lifting truck. That's just like how it is. You got it. You off-road. No, you don't off-road. That's how you, if you're trying to get girls, that's how you do it.
Guys.
Oh my god, gasping.
Look, it's a dick.
And that's what the Miatas made out of.
I bet you if I sat on this thing would blow up.
No, I feel like painted this.
I feel like
Now you could paint everything while it's out and it would look so
I
nice.
can see the garbage.
What's going on over here? Can you see me pliers?
Oh yeah. We'll see when it came. We're just trying to get your blow. Oh yeah. And a cop pulls up. He's still revving. Everyone's like, "Stop! There's a cop." And I'm like,
Don't record me, I'm not a real mechanic. Not by any means, never went to any trade school for mechanic work. I'm an electrician.
So you didn't spend Gabe's 30,000 on
12 volt certified, that's it. That's as far as my knowledge goes.
Looking for you. This runs on double A's. You want me to hold it?
The Mustang went onto the parkway.
He like refuses to change. He's like,
I forgot to disconnect everything in the truck still.
with him, oh, you continue the website. He just doesn't want good. What, a bolt fall in?
Yo, the Instagram names.
White girl, very.
I saw it. I was like,
I'll fit too.
Boy, don't record this, come on.
Whoa! Fuck.
oh. Ready?
Ready?
Come on, son. Oh.
Start again. It's a nice day for us. You know the rules and some do. You wanted to.
oh my god. What did not go over?
Lift. Shit.
Go back in.
All the jiggling. Jiggies everywhere.
What's going on? Oh, Adrian. Oh, Adrian.
Pour it, Daddy.
Adrian. Oh, Adrian.
Blocking the shot.
You guys can't see the hole, but like it's really going everywhere. Oh my god. Bro. Son!
Yes, turn it to accessory. Give it like a few seconds, turn it off, turn it back to accessory. You need to...
He doesn't even know how a fuel pump works.
What?
What the hell is
He doesn't know how a fuel pump works.
What is a fuel pump?
You have a 240. We only have...
I hear my fuel pump the second it turns on.
Everyone be quiet. Everyone be quiet.
to hear something?
Yes.
Yeah, you hear the
Do it again. Do it again.
You hear everything turn on.
Can we just put back cars?
I don't hear anything.
You didn't even
Do it again.
do it. You're supposed to do it.
I mean, maybe you're... It might not be that loud. I mean...
I hear it in my car. My car sounds like a fucking rocket.
Every car.
Well, he's got a stock fuel pump.
Yeah, usually you hear it. I don't know what's with that.
Turn the ignition. No.
We should that's all it is a plug.
I mean, pull it out of the driveway. I mean, out of the garage. Oh, close the door.
Nah, you can't do that again. Smack the garage.
Wait, before you guys start pushing it. Brakes work? Pump the brakes a little bit. Because I had to disconnect the brakes.
Okay.
Steve, what are you doing?
Oh my god.
Ah! My hip!
If you close that on my hand, I'm gonna be pissed.
Alright, alright, alright.
Why is the top down? Put the top on. Alright, see if it starts.
What the fuck?
Get it out of here! Get it out of here! I want it! Get it out! Go away!
Oh, man. Go! We're gonna hear him his entire trip.
Turn on your car.
This guy.
Stop slamming it!
Stop touching the gas.
Yeah, honestly. He doesn't know how to drive.
Just use the clutch.
It just sucks at driving.
Get out of the car. It pops a lot. Really not good. Very quiet. You hear that? No gas.
£1,000 less. Bro,
With no traction control and nothing like that, you would get wrecked. Can we do this after I get a new diff so I don't blow it in the middle of the race?
how about you do a 40 roll with the diff as it is?
Dude, I'm gonna blow that shit.
40 roll, and you have to ease into it. He can floor it, that's it. You gotta start in third. And you have to ease into it.
Why the fuck would I start in?
He can't floor it.
Yeah, no, I
He's gonna floor it anyway. He's gonna go full send.
Somebody will be in the car.
Full send, boys.
I'll be in
Full
the car
send.
in your back seat. Front seat, because you'll hook if I'm in the back.
I want to get into this.
You get Gabe in your trunk.
Oh my god. See, no, the thing is though, like, I have like 265s on my fucking rear.
Alright, how much horsepower does your car have?
How much you want your rear end?
What?
No. He can't floor it. He'll blow his diff. He's got the tire advantage.
I gotta get out of here, bro.
You're automatic.
I got
No,
That's it.
he has 275s. You have 265s.
Yeah.
I thought you ran wider than that.
Run his wheels.
Yeah, she's respecting me.
You want my wheels?
He's got a 305.
Yeah, I gotta go have dinner with my grand, bro.
Hit me up next time you're
Let's
here.
see him again, man. Oh, yeah.
Hit me up next time you're here.
Send it.
That's it?
That's it?
Like that.
No, you gotta kiss.
Are you gonna send it?
No, I'm not.
No, it's a Miata.
Why not?
Do it.
Because it's a Skyline. I don't know a beat on this thing.
Does it shoot flames?
Yes.
Can you do that?
I have no idea.
Just try it. Does it shoot flames? Yes. Can you do that? I don't know.
Hey, wait, hey, don't be a stranger.
I don't have all.
Text me. I have to talk to you. Yo, say
Send nudes. How much horsepower does your car have?
I think from a dig, he has a chance.
Because he has traction control.
That's so funny, Carl. Both your cars are so slow. And this is like a heavy conversation.
Do you see your car?
Yeah. Actually, I can drive
Both of our cars are slow.
I bet you I can drive both of your cars better than you. Both of them.
You always say that and it's false. You can't even get in my seat.
I can't fit your seat. Put a milk crate.
Put a milk crate.
What?
Alright, okay. How about two
How much horsepower does your car have?
like, I don't know, like wheel like 430 maybe.
So we have pretty much the same horsepower and I'm way lighter than you. That's what's
He
gonna...
doesn't understand racing.
Well, alright,
When my
one...
car was gold, I fucking raced every
And
weekend.
you lost every weekend. I was there.
No, I did not.
You lost that people, I remember that.
Well, yeah,
You also lost that Civic. You also lost
Civic.
God.
I lost to a Civic too, but it was not nitrous.
Are you talking about the yellow one? The yellow one that I gave up 4 car leads and still beat him by
I never saw you lose to a Civic, but he just admitted to it.
I feel like once a week we just have to have them just go at it on the channel.
I'll win.
No, you
What
won't.
are they gonna
Yes, I
argue
will.
about this week?
The only thing
Tell
you're
me
gonna-
about your car.
The only thing
Your
you're
stop sign wheels? Come on.
like,
What the fuck does that mean? Yeah, you heard me.
you're starting to sell your fucking fake ass wheels of fucking plastic on them for $700.
He said
They're
embarrassed.
embarrassed. So congratulations.
They're $450 a wheel.
In whose fucking eyes?
Google? The company?
CJ, stay out of this.
Your wheels are literally shaped like stop signs.
So you were asking.
And you spray painted them.
You have one less spoke than I do.
What does that mean? What are you trying to say?
They're the same fucking style of wheel.
You have two-toned wheels now. With spray paint on them. And there's stop signs. Mine are perfectly circled. How are they?
That's what
Go look at his wheels and go look how chewed up they are. Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Oh my God. What up, Brian? Hello.
Who's Ryan? Oh
my house.
That's Ryan.
Come on.
It'd be an interesting race.
Give me it.
No,
I do
stop
know.
it.
Come on, we're gonna go point out his stop sign. Give to me. Just because your seats are worth more than my car doesn't mean your rims are nicer.
I think I was more than him.
I think you're an idiot.
If I put new tires on the car, no. I will.
With no
Alright,
track,
alright, here,
with no
for
traction
real,
control.
For real. Okay, we'll do two from a dig.
We'll do it this spring.
Yeah, in the spring.
'Cause I don't wanna
two
blow
from
anything.
2 from a dig. And
Two from a dick.
2 from a dig.
Dick.
Dig.
We'll do 2 dicks.
Dig.
Wait, you said
Dig dicks.
Oh, you said something about dicks? What? I got excited.
Demonetized.
I'm not understanding what's going on.
Okay, we're gonna.
I just hear mad
race
gibberish
four
and
times.
mad dick.
So Brendan,
I know about the ring.
thinks he
With
can
an E.
spin more than Anton.
Spin more. I can actually do a better burnout than him.
Do it right now.
Pull up the after movie, right?
Oh, that's one burnout.
That's a big ass
I
burnout.
kind of want to do this. I kind of want to get
Brandon, do it right now.
Let's do a burnout.
Dude, the last time I did something stupid, I had to make a GoFundMe. I'm not doing it again.
Last time I did something stupid,
Should
my
I get-
towel-
You got
my
arrested.
motor blew up.
Last time I did
I think
this.
Wait,
pretty
did you?
even.
This isn't gonna go in the video. We were like last time we were at here in the last video. He's like, "Oh, you got your car impounded and shit." Your girlfriend was right there.
Oh.